Let me explain something to you. I love working flights to Jamaica. It's my favorite flights to work. It gives me so much joy. But you see, when somebody come on the plane and just disturb my peace in such a way that now me have to write one long report, so I did not sign up for that. I don't want to leave work to go and write any report long, so okay? Imagine. Just have mercy, man. I tell you, boy. All I hear in the cabin today is, me nah slum beside another dog. 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 This is me. What is happening? Come here, my friend, come here, slum beside another dog. And I'm like, your friend? When did we become friends, ma'am? We are not friends. That's me in my head. I was like, yes, ma'am. How can I best assist you? Me nah slum beside another dog. Then come put one dog beside of me. I'ma pay too much money for my ticket and me nah slum beside another dog. And I was just like, okay, ma'am, this is a service dog. This dog renders service to this customer. So you know me, I give some whole professional advice now. Because it's not like a typical mongrel dog. You understand? The dog is rendering service to the customer. Me only hear she ball out. Well, me allergic. What you gonna do now? And I swear, Ash, what you gonna do now? Me allergic to the dog. And I'm like, oh, Lord of mercy. No, I have to ask people if they're willing to swap. Nobody is willing to swap because probably if they did behave a little bit better, somebody are probably willing to swap. Nobody want to swap. So now me I go get my flight attendant book like me still in a school. Call my other colleagues them to come help me to figure out what do I do. Do I take so we are flip through the pages? Like what kind of situation? Me never have the problem here. Me never expect to have this problem today. They search whether or not the person with the dog stay or the person who is allergic to the dog go. No, I'm just like, okay, does it say the person who sit down there first because there's no more seat available? So I was just like, okay, you know what, ma'am, for your safety, because you're allergic to the dog, I would like to definitely put you on the next flight that is available. Me nah come out of that plane here. So just go on. We are talking about, my girl. We are talking about. You know how much money we pay for my ticket? Me I got foreign today. I be there still beside another dog. I said, jeez. I said, you know what? I cannot handle this. Let me go speak to the captain because this is above my pay grade. This. Go away. I'm tired. Jesus, I'm tired. No, sir. Today was a day and a half. Lady, have a good